Story of a Pencil. Once upon a time, there was an old wise pencil maker. On his last day of work before retirement, he set the last pencil he had made aside just before he was about to pack him into a box. Imagining the little fellow, this pencil, as a person, he offered some advice. There are 5 things you need to know before I send you off into the world, he said to the pencil. Always remember these 5 things. Never forget them, and you will become the best pencil that life ever wrote. The first thing is to remember that you will be able to do many great things, but only if you put yourself in someone else's hands. Trust in the world. Have faith in others. You are an instrument. Remember this. Secondly, now and then, life will give you a painful sharpening, but remember that this will make you a better pencil. Thirdly, keep in mind that you will be able to correct any mistakes you might make along the way. Mistakes are evidence of learning, and that's what life is all about, learning. Fourthly, the most important part of you is what's on the inside. Get that lead out. Be brave and say what you want to say. Be who you want to be. Finally, remember this. As well, upon every surface that you are used, you must leave your mark. No matter what else happens, you must continue to write, to live well. Squander your life for a purpose. Oh yeah, I forgot. There's one more. If life breaks you, no worries. Resharpen and continue on. Smaller, but stronger. You now have one more friend in this world. The pencil maker then packed up the pencil into a case and sent it off into the great big wide world. The end.